Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome back to SKJ Reviews, your trusted source for honest digital tool reviews that actually work. Today we're uncovering Royalty Profits AI, the revolutionary software claiming to create full published books in just 6 minutes without any writing skills. Now I know what you're thinking, another AI tool promising the world? But stick with me because I've tested this thoroughly, and what I found might shock you. If you've ever struggled with Amazon KDP, spending weeks writing books that don't sell, dealing with expensive cover designs, or just feeling overwhelmed by the whole publishing process, this could be the solution you've been waiting for. The creators, Dimitris and Alex, claim their AI system has generated $409.84 from 26 published books, all created in under 6 minutes each. But does it actually work? I put it to the test. Let's be real. Most people fail at Amazon KDP because they hit these 3 walls. They can't write fast enough. Books take weeks to complete. They struggle with formatting. KDP rejections kill motivation. They guess wrong niches. Books publish but never sell. But here's what makes Royalty Profits AI different. The breakthrough. This isn't just another AI writer. It's a complete publishing system that identifies profitable niches using AI market analysis, generates complete books, chapters, content, everything, or creates professional covers with 3 AI design models, formats perfectly for KDP PDF and EPUB ready to upload, writes converting descriptions that actually sell books. Real proof. The creator's KDP dashboard shows 26 books published using this exact system, $409.84 earned in passive royalties, 6 minutes per book from start to finish. What really impressed me was how it handles the entire process. You just choose your book type, enter a topic, and the AI creates everything. Chapters, content, cover, description, even your author bio. It's like having a professional publishing team working for you 24/7. But here's the best part. They offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if it doesn't work for your specific needs, you can get every penny back, no questions asked. This completely removes the risk for you to test it out. Now let's dive into exactly what the software can do. And I tested every feature personally. Create 25+ types of books, from children's books to business guides. Generate complete chapters and outlines automatically. 11+ language support for global markets. 3 premium AI models included: DALL-E 3, GPT Image 1, Nano Banana. No design skills needed. Enter prompt and get pro covers. Multiple style options for different genres. Bar chart. Real results don't lie. Creators Amazon KDP dashboard shows $409.84 in total royalties from 26 books. $115.17 from top performing book, How to Make Money Online with AI Agents. $72.63 from second bestseller I Am GROK, The Ultimate Guide. 34 orders processed with 635 pages read. High voltage. My favorite feature. The campaign management system lets you track all your books, clone successful campaigns, and scale your publishing business efficiently. But here's what really surprised me. The AI doesn't just create random content. It actually finds profitable niches and gaps in the market that I would never think of. From AI guides to marketing strategies to crypto topics, it adapts to any genre you choose. Lightbulb pro tip. The commercial license is worth considering because you can create books for clients and charge premium prices while the AI does all the heavy lifting for you. Now let me show you exactly how you can create your first book in under 6 minutes. It's so simple anyone can do it. Step 1. Choose your book type and setup. 30 seconds. Select from 25+ book categories: fiction, nonfiction, children's, self-help, cookbooks, even romance novels. Choose your page length from 5 pages up to 180 pages. Pick your target audience and tone: formal, conversational, educational. Step 2. AI generates everything. 3 to 4 minutes. This is where the magic happens. The AI automatically creates complete chapter outlines and structure, full book content that reads like human written, professional book description that sells, author bio that builds credibility, all metadata and keywords for Amazon. Step 3. Customize and export. 1 minute. Choose your cover design from 3 AI models. Select page size: 6x9 trade paperback standard. Pick fonts and formatting styles. Export as PDF for print or EPUB for digital. Or upload directly to Amazon KDP and publish. Direct hit. Real demo timing. I timed myself creating a self-help book. 10 seconds to login. 30 seconds to choose book type. 3 minutes for AI content generation. 30 seconds for cover creation. 30 seconds to export files. 1 minute to upload to KDP. Total: under 6 minutes for a complete, professional book. The best part? Once you publish, the book keeps earning passive income 24/7 while you sleep. No more trading time for money. Create multiple books in 1 hour and let Amazon handle the rest. Now let's talk about the most important part, pricing and how you can try this completely risk-free. Warning: important alert. There's a timer counting down right now. When it hits 0, the price increases from $27 to $47. So if you're serious about this, now's the time to act. Here are your 2 options. Money Bag Basic License, $27. Perfect for beginners. Create 3 books per month. They're all AI features included. PDF and EPUB exports. A training and bonuses included. 30-day money-back guarantee. Rocket commercial license, $37. Best value. Create 10 books per month. Sell books to clients. Keep 100% profits. Agency rights included. Priority support. Same 30-day guarantee. Wrapped gift: you also get $248 worth of bonuses. A quick start blueprint, $97 value. A 10 hot niches guide, $37 value. A cover design templates, $47 value. Amazon ranking guide, $67 value. But here's what makes this a no-brainer. They offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can test the software for a full month. Create multiple books and publish them. See if you get results on KDP. If you're not satisfied for any reason, get every penny back. No questions asked, no risks involved. I always recommend going with a commercial license because for just $10 more, you get client rights which can literally turn this into a full-time business. Imagine charging clients $200 to $500 per book while the AI does all the work for you. Light bulb important note: you'll need your own API keys for AI features, but they're easy to set up and cost just pennies per book. The software comes with complete setup instructions. So after thoroughly testing Royalty Profits AI, here's my honest final verdict. White heavy checkmark pros. Insanely fast 6 minutes for a publish-ready book is legit. Beginner-friendly, 0 writing skills needed. They're all in one solution. Covers, content, formatting, everything. Proven results. Real KDP earnings proofs provided. A risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. Warning: cons. API keys required. Small extra setup needed. Basic license limited. Only 3 books per month. Direct hit final recommendation. If you're serious about Amazon KDP or want to start a publishing business, this is probably the most complete AI book creation system I've seen. The commercial license is absolutely worth it for the client rights alone. Here's what to do next. Choose your license. I recommend commercial. Set up your account and API keys. Guide provided. Create your first book in next 10 minutes. Upload to KDP and start earning. Try it for 30 days risk-free. Create at least 5 books and publish them. If you don't see results or it doesn't work for you, simply request a refund. No hard feelings. Backhand index pointing right important. Price increases to $47 when timer ends, so if you want the best deal, act now.